Kind of take it down. Kind of take it down. Kind of.
Monday. Load up all my junk and garbage.
Oh, that's why you're putting me in the truck.
Yep. I need you to do all the hard work.
Because I'm the garbage. I want to learn how to weld.
Yeah, put her ass to work. So we got all of our pieces here. I got what's left of my forks. Yeah, if you guys want me to do the SX fork thing or MX fork thing, I need your cores. I just can't keep using all my bikes. Swing arms in. Got to take all this to the lab and then pull all the bed stuff out so we can go pick up metal. I tried looking for a trailer to rent. No dice. Couldn't find a one. So we're just going to go ahead and pull the bed out. That's 48 inches by at least 96 inches. So I'm not worried because that's what one of the $400 sheets of metal I'm buying. That's its measurements. So at least I know I can put it in the Sequoia. That's good. It still looks. I gotta swap cars. All right. If you guys don't know who the President's United States of America is, the CD, the band, go get the first and the second album, and that's it. Don't worry about it after that. Well, I happen to learn me a buggy. You ever want to rule the world? Stay single. Huh? Got out of that line after being in that line, and I spent a healthy penny, but we made everybody here laugh, so it was a hoot.
They like our energy.
They like our energy. Thieves stealing all of our energy. But yeah, this place is pretty dope.
Look at that. Yeah, we even stole it.
Yeah,
We got away with stealing it.
gave it to us.
Shut up.
This is Bruce Steen. Apparently he donated for this building. It has a giant crosswalk that goes across the street. And then there's 4 giant warehouses where you can pull your vehicle up and they'll dump all your materials in. We're going to do number 2. Oh wait, we're going to number 2. Alright, let's get it.
See, that's
What?
my goal with the plants I just added to my pot.
She's talking about plants. What do you see, guys? All I see is a welder. All I see is all I can see is 2 welders. It's funny. She's like, plants. What? What plants? I don't see any plants. Do you see any plants? I see millers.
Oh, you see millers.
That's all I see. I see some gating, some fencing. What plants is she talking about?
I said, that's what I'm doing with my plants at home. He's like, plants?
What plants?
Where?
There's no plants.
Well, they're not the most breathtaking.
I apologize, sir. She hasn't
They're
eaten.
too dusty.
She's not feeling good. She hasn't eaten.
Oh,
She might be hallucinating. I don't think they like me. Okay, I do see a plant. Yeah, I see plants. Because there's vending machines. Door number 1 or door number 2? In this case, it's door number 2 or door number 5. Pretty much all the same, I bet. Mmm. Mmm. Imagine if this was like a junkyard where you keep all you can carry.
I have to go to the Toadies.
We've been on the road for 30 minutes. Just start. Number 2, number 2. Go. That might be mine. Picking up metal to make swing arms and forks. And a sequoia.
She's a good girl.
Getting ready. I got my 1 nylon strap and some shoestrings.
We got some good rope in this one. Like shoestrings for giants. Oh, I missed it. He's just cleaning his room down there. That's where he sleeps.
Can't hear a word. Not a word. Can't hear a word.
I thought you needed it in third and your measurements are all off.
Yeah, I actually needed it in thirds. Those are the 2 Mexican brothers from DuckTales. And it's not about DuckTales, it's about that hair that sticks out before it's a mullet. Stop right over there by the stop sign, he says. Stop by the stop sign. This one killed it deadly. This is awesome.
Rust killer.
Oh, yeah.
That one, that's it. Yeah, that's it. I guess that's it. Okay, just go to door 5. You're going to get there around 2. Door 5 right there, sir. You can go like this, or you can go right. What would you want to get right now before it gets crowded because there's a lot of people? Okay?
I see.
Money.
I appreciate it. You too, brother. I appreciate it. I'll tie it up.
Yes, sir.
Hey, you don't care. Whatever.
All right, let's go. We're in a hurry now.
She loves Mexican food trucks. See, look how she's so happy when I say that.
He's not surprised.
Because we're literally in a metal shop
Can you
full of Mexicans. I do love Mexicans. Brings back so many years. My first real auto shop job was America Service Station in 1995. We had an old guy there. Every morning he'd come by, tacos muchachos. And he had breakfast tacos. Man, made my life. I was so happy every morning. Getting ready to cut our tubes. Just one cut, and then we're out. Okay. Well, we got everything out. Only thing that broke was some of that green parachute string. But everything else is good. Loaded it all up on one cart. And my girlfriend pushed it over here. So now we got quite a bit of metal. I got metal back there, but that's not enough to make 10 or 20 sets. This is enough to make 5, maybe 6 swing arms. And then little knickknacks, and, a little extra. Sometimes you need a sheet just so you can cut little pieces off. Getting there. End of day Monday. Home. Melting, because Texas is not cold. Ooh, that took better part of the day. But we did it. We got a lot of materials in. We tried a new restaurant. It's all right. We got metal. We got it to the lab. We have a place to put it. I got sanding wheels, grinding wheels, and cutoff wheels. And I guess now I contacted a guy who can only do 90-degree bends. So I'll have to weld 2 tabs together or pie cut some angular tubing. The guy said he would roll 1 inch, but he ain't gonna be able to get the kind of curves I want. So closest thing I'm gonna be able to do is, I'll try again tomorrow, but most likely I'm just gonna have to find some J-bends or pie cut rectangular tubing, which is fine. I don't mind. It's more welding, right? What are you gonna do today? Go do something today. Whatever it is, you're kind of just go put another 15 minutes in it. It took me at least 5 minutes to take that smoke detector off. It didn't just come off on its own. I had to get up and do it. So go do something today. Take care of it. 5 minutes, and you can be right back.